So we're back at it again with my best friend Kirk, the original bushwhacker. I wouldn't want to be with anybody else other than him if shit hits the fan, because this guy is the true lone survivor. And we're going to be doing the Appalachian Trail, West Virginia, Keys Gap, right? Try to get to Harper's Ferry. Started off late, so we're going to just kind of get after it and see how far we can go. Might not make it to the water, but that's how we're gonna start. Just find a place to go, post up. You got it?
Yeah.
This way?
I guess. I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
I don't know. I don't know which way. I mean, this is the way the all trails says go this way.
All right.
We'll see.
What we got? What we got? Yeah, I don't got a hammock. I'm sleeping on a bed of rocks here. Next time. Get the hammock game going. Oh, gotta duck down a little bit. Oh, there we go. Oh, that rock moves. So we're about 2 hours. 2 hours left of sunlight, and we're about halfway through, and we're trying to make it to the river. It's too early to set up camp, but once we get to the river, we have to truck back a little bit. So right now, it's a race against time to get to the river, come back and find a campsite and set up. So right now we keep on keeping on. All right, Kirk?
Yeah, buddy.
There he is. It's like the spot right here. Supplies we're gonna find over the ridge and away from the wind. Pretty good. As wide as we can find for me, at least. Kirk's gonna hang, so he don't give a where we go. Check out the campsite. Kirk has convinced me to sleep under the stars. That's what he's doing. Well, not really. He's just more badass than I am. And I want to be badass, so I'm going to sleep on the stars too. Kirk's going hammock camping again, second time. Better rig and setup this time. Nice sleeping bag, right? Brand new sleeping bag. Nice. What kind is this one?
Walmart.
Good old Walmart. Can't go wrong. Nice. Perfect. I myself got the REI Magma 15, so hopefully that'll keep me warm without having the shield over top. So I've got a ring going, and we didn't feel like walking to the river. This gives me too far. We're gonna run out of daylight, and we're gonna set up camp. So we got a little gas, I guess you could say. So we're gonna chill up and start cooking food soon, I guess. And what you got there?
I don't know. Firewood. Probably.
The water there? Nice. Got it. MSR burner.
Can't show it like that.
Bushcraft.
They would love it.
Noodles. Kirk's eating what? MREs?
Nope.
Walmart
beef stew.
Goes with the, I got it when he got his hammock, sleeping bag.
Yep.
Nice. Oh, I'm getting warmer already, man. This feels amazing.
Still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this thing.
I can see the stars. Oh, this is awesome. Perfect. All right. This is a good end to the day. I just hope there's a good sunrise in the morning. Look forward to that. Oh man, I did not sleep good at all. The zipper broke on the sleeping bag, so it was cold all night. But check it out. At least I get to wake up to this. Dude, you picked an amazing spot.
All right.
There we go. Let's get going.
Trek back.
I wasn't even recording the whole time.
Are you serious?
Oh my God. All right, guys, so we made it out. That was an awesome hike back. I look forward to doing that again. I definitely learned a lot on this trip. I'm gonna do a second follow-up video on all the things I learned so you guys can learn from my mistakes. Definitely get out there and do something outdoors. Just because it's cold outside doesn't mean there's no reason to stay inside. So with that, we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day. See ya.